In this video, we will show you how to replace your EVAP emission canister purge solenoid valve on this GMC Acadia with a 3.6 liter engine. This will be located along the top front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your canister purge solenoid valve. It's right along the front top of the engine here. We'll start with the electrical connector. For this, you're going to find you have a red locking tab. You just want to carefully slide that out of place. Just behind it, closest to the wiring, there's another tab that you do want to depress and slide this off. A quick inspection of your wiring harness, of course. If you see any funny colors, that's corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. Now let's move just underneath that. We're going to remove this tube. For this, you're going to find that you have a white locking tab. Just go ahead and press down on that and pull it out of place. Just a quick inspection. That seems fine. We'll set it aside. Now we can remove our one 10mm headed mounting bolt located just behind here. That bolt does also have a washer on it, and we will be reusing both of these items. Take hold of your canister purge solenoid valve and pull it out of place. There it is, friend. Once that's out of place, the next thing you need to do is clean and inspect the mounting point. It's time for installation of our EVAP emission canister purge solenoid valve. Before you start putting it in place, lubricate the O-ring with some clean motor oil. Once you've completed that, we'll be sliding it directly into the intake and aligning our mounting points here. We want to start in the mounting bolt, and we'll torque that to 89 inch-pounds. Should slide in fairly easily. We've got our washer on our bolt. Once you've confirmed that that's properly secured, we'll continue on with our tube. We're going to slide this in, listen for our click. Give it a tug, make sure it's properly secured. It's time for the wiring harness. We'll install that wiring harness by pressing it in, once again listening for a click from this. Lock it down with your red locking tab. Double check to make sure everything's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished our installation. At this point, hop in the passenger compartment. Start up your vehicle, make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light. Take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.